Hello. Hi,
Hello,
welcome
guys.
back pa sa ating BL at
CBTL.
CBTL.
Yes.
Naka-on ba?
Mm-mm.
Yan. So, naka-eyeshadow ako.
O, naka-lipstick din siya.
Fears. Yan.
Cheers.
Okay,
Gusto mo
so,
na natin. Ito, kasi yung mga tao sa back.
ay, bakit po nang ano ba kasing ginagawa mo?
Ulit. So again, we're here at
Welcome back
BL at CBTL kasi nalagay yung cellphone ko. Ulitan.
Yan. So,
So there.
ang ating istorya for tonight, bali, ano siya,
Kapag social
spin-off.
spin-off ng last.
Spin-off nung last na, ano nga yung last?
Uh,
Kimi wa mo Kaminai.
Boku Minai. This time, it's Boku.
Boku wa
Mada
Mada Kaminai.
Okay.
So in English, I can't bite you yet. Okay, so summary. Or did you want to kiss me? Oscar is an alpha who attacked his older brother when they were children. He finds a kindred spirit in Luca, who's also an alpha, when he goes to university in London. Both aiming to find their pair, Oscar slowly opens up to Luca, who is his exact opposite. One night, when Oscar confides in Luca that he hasn't been able to get an erection lately, Luca replies, I'll help you get off. A wounded alpha finds his salvation through a minor miracle. The long-awaited spin-off of Kimiwa mo Kamilay.
Ah, so pares alpha. Kaya. Yun
Yes.
yung sweet, ano niya, no? Taste niya, no?
So basically kasi ito, yung storya ni kapatid na
Mhm.
before
Yung
na,
younger brother.
yung storya na naatake siya, no, naatake ng younger brother,
Yung si
si,
Omega.
si Oliver Omega, na dahil first hit niya, nandun siya sa kapatid niya. So ngayon, so he's an alpha. So silang dalawa ni Luca, they're known as Omega Eaters.
Okay.
Because every week they go to a certain bar and they look for Omegas to
eat.
to have sex with.
To eat.
So, ang ano kasi nila, they're looking for their pairs. So, kapag ka, they do it, so they think that, it's
Baka ito na
possible.
yun.
Oo, baka yun na.
Baka ito na yun.
Unfortunately, hindi ganun yung nangyari.
Mhm.
So, yung last na encounter nila, nasa labas si Oscar, naghahantay siya, tapos may sapak siya dito. So, yun pala, he wasn't able to get it up. Or basta sabi niya, parang,
Yes, trouble.
he's been having an issue. So, nung nandun sila sa kwarto, sabi nito ni Luca, why don't I help you?
Mhm.
So, yun, nung una, kamay-kamay lang, ganyan, whatever. So, pero sa isip-isip ni Luca, bakit niya hinahayaan yun? Bakit siya hindi
Nagre-react against it.
hindi siya against it? Bakit niya hinahayaan lang mangyari? Tapos, sabi niya pa na, parang, sabi ni Luca, you smell nice. So ngayon, after nung gabing yun, nung kinabukasan yata, naghahalongkat ngayon to si Luca sa closet niya.
Okay.
Hinahanap niya yung pabango. Yung
Kung anong pabango yun.
Oo, yung naamoy niyang smell. So, inisip niya na, wait, nasaan ba yun? Hindi niya mahanap kung nasaan.
Si Luca naghanap, ha?
Oo, si Luca. Si Luca yung other alpha.
Mm-mm.
So, si Oscar yung kapatid ni Oni,
Yes, I know.
yun. And days pass, na gano'n pa rin yung issue. Tapos, si Luca, siyempre, si Luca ay ano pa din na sinasabi na, would you like to do it again? Ganyan. So, yung parang gano'n. So, in a way,
Parang
parang,
naging casual thing sila.
oo. Pero wala nangyayari sa kanila, like, all the
Walang
way.
penetration.
Walang all the way. Tapos, ang pagkakasabi lang sa isip-isip ni Oscar na he's treating me like I'm his lover. Yung parang kasing sweet, na hinawakan ganyan, whatever, something. Tapos, um, one night, nag-suggest itong si Luca na, why don't we have a foursome?
Okay.
Maybe, with me being there, baka sakaling tigasan ka or something.
Yeah.
So ngayon, nakaharap ng dalawang Omega itong si Luca, and then they did do it. Kaya lang nung una ay hindi matigasan niya
Si Oscar.
si Oscar. So ang ginawa ngayon nito ni Luca, hinalikan niya.
Hmm.
So after noon, ang impression dun sa isang Omega na kinalantari nila, kinalantari,
Hmm.
na they're boyfriends.
Okay.
So parang, is this your
Kink.
kink nilang dalawa na you kiss your boyfriend while you're having sex with an Omega, ganyan. Nagalit niya ito si Luca. So sabi, I think it's best that you leave. Sinabi niya doon, sabi niya doon sa Omega. So, tapos later, kasama ng mga friends nila, wala si Luca. Sabi nung isang friend nila na beta yata or alpha din,
Hmm.
na you can only tell who your fated mate is through their smell.
Okay.
So,
Inaas mo smell niya si Luca.
ha?
Naamoy ni Oscar si Luca.
Baliktad.
Si Luca namin si Oscar.
Oo, sa ganun yung, Tapos ngayon, parang napapaisip nga doon si Oscar na I'm starting to ruin Lucas' life.
Okay.
Kasi parang ang dating sa kanya, since feeling niya na since na-associate na siya na in that way kay Luca, so parang feeling niya na kapareho na ng sitwasyon sa kuya niya na
Oo. Sinisira yung buhay.
sira na yung buhay ganyan. So ina-avoid niya na si Luca, hindi siya po pasok frequent na. Pagka pinupuntahan siya ni Luca, sabi I'm not feeling well. One time, pinuntahan siya, sabi, I'm not feeling well. I just don't want to see you right now. Sabi gano'n. Hindi, that night, like usual, nagpunta si Luca sa bar to pick up an Omega. So, may nakausap siya ganyan. Tapos, maya, kumakatok siya sa kwarto ni Oscar. Sabi niya, I need to see you. I really need to talk to you, ganyan. Open the door, blah, blah, blah. Nung binuksan niya yung pintuan ni Oscar, may sapak din si Luca. Sabi ni Luca.
Hindi siya tinayuan.
Oo, sabi niya, I really think it had to be you. Hindi na ako tigasan because it had to be you. Parang ganon.
Wait Pwede naman maging mated yung alpha to alpha, di ba?
No.
Ano? Sabi isa sa kanila, Omega. Okay, we'll get there.
We'll
Okay.
get there. So, ang nangyari na, hinag niyang ganun si Oscar, sabi niya, no, it really has to be you, ganyan, blah, blah. Tapos sinabi niya na, I love you kay Oscar, I love you siya kay Oscar. Sabi ba, we're both alpha. Sabi niya, parang it doesn't matter, ganyan something. Tapos, I love you siya. Tinulak niya si Oscar, at tinulak niya si Luca, sabi niya, I'm sorry. So, parang kasi sa kanya, again,
Oo.
he's ruining this person's life kasi pareho silang alpha. And kaya sila naging friends because they're both looking for their pairs. Ang reason na naghahanap si Oscar ng pair niya is because he wants to be a brother again.
Oo, he wants to be mated na para hindi niya na
Oo.
makinig sa kuya niya.
Yes, exactly. So para hindi niya na
Wala na siyang lust against his brother.
hindi last para bang
Yun yung...
atone for his sins. He wants to atone for his sins, kaya gusto niyang makaharap ng pair para makalapit na ulit siya sa kapatid niya.
Kasi nga, hindi niya pagkakontrol yung sarili niya.
Hindi
pa rin,
last
diba? Hindi nga, di ba yun yung normal reaction ng katawan nila eh?
Hindi hindi na nga naamoy yung kuya kasi
Hindi
nga
niya na
wala na pheromone si kuya, pero sa kanya kasi since he ruined the kuya's life due to the chuva So he needs to atone for his sin. So the only way to atone for his sin is to become his brother again. And to be his brother again, he needs to find a pair.
Yun yung sa thinking.
Oo.
Okay.
Ngayon, since yun yung ano nila, yun yung parang bond nila ni Luca, ngayon ang thinking niya, no, I can't be with Luca because he needs to find his pair. And I'm not that because I'm an alpha.
Aha.
Yan, nerd. Tapos, nilayasan niya. Lumayas siya doon sa dorm.
Okay.
Kasi nasa university dorm sila eh.
Yeah. Kaya magka-roommate
Oo.
sila.
Housemate. Ay, hindi sila magka-roommate. Dormmate.
Okay.
So, lumayas siya. Tapos nagpunta siya sa kapatid niya.
Si Noel.
Hindi si no. Si Oliver. Oo. Nagpunta siya kay Oliver. So, si Oliver, kasama, nagbuntis na siya. As in,
Sila na talaga niya.
sila, nagwakasal na sila and all. So, may baby na sila.
Mm.
Yeah. So, medyo malaki na yung baby nila eh. So, yeah, pichi-pichi. Tapos may kumatok sa bahay. Tapos yan na. Pagbukas ng pinto, pinapasok syempre ni Luca si Oscar.
Luca?
Ni Luca, ni Oliver si Oscar.
Okay.
So, pagpasok ni Oscar, nandun si Beta.
Mm.
What's his name? Liam.
Okay.
Wala.
Naalala niya.
Ano si Liam?
Oh.
Tapos sabi ni Liam, I'm sorry, but you need to take him to the hospital. Is that your pheromones? Na amoy ni Beta.
Bakit?
So, pagdating nila sa hospital, it turns out na he is turning into an omega.
Ano?
Ganito. Kasi, nung the day before na i-check yung kanyang secondary gender, doon nag-inhit si Oliver.
Uh-huh.
So, na-trigger yung alpha
Males. Ay, hormones yan.
alpha hormones niya to go into rot. Pero ang sabi ng doctor, it's highly possible na
Omega din talaga siya.
originally he's an omega. Kaya lang, na-disturb yung pheromones na ganyan, naging unstable dahil doon sa nangyari sa kuya.
Ang weird, no?
Hindi kasi parang sabi before ma-determine at certain age, they have both genders. So, kapag na heavily affected before the determination proper,
Uh-huh.
yun yung magiging dominant.
Kaya dominant alpha siya. But, in reality,
Hindi dominant alpha, alpha lang.
same shit.
In this world, walang dominant and recessive, ganyan. So, tapos since nagkaroon siya ng contact heavily sa alpha ngayon, dahil kay Luca, natitrigger yung
to go back
to go back to what he really is supposed to be, which is an omega.
So, malas pala ng parents niya, no?
Oo. Ano pala yung parents. Pero naman, sabi naman dun sa previous, na
Nagbago naman yung parents.
hindi naman sa nagbago. Kaya lang kasi, they weren't actually mad. They
They
were
were
just
more accepting.
extremely
Disappointed.
worried.
Worried.
Oo. Kasi omega, kasi alpha line sila eh. So, extremely worried.
Okay.
Yun. Tapos, nag-decide si Oscar na bumalik sa London. Kasi nag-usap sila ng masinsinan ng kapatid niya na I do have someone I love. I swear, ganyan. He's the reason that I'm turning into an omega, blah, blah, blah. So, sumama ngayon si Liam, si Oliver, tsaka si Baby
Kay Oscar.
kay Oscar papuntang London. Tapos, before nagpunta ng London, tumawag si Liam sa dorm manager. Nasasabi na pabalik na
Darating
si
sila,
Oo. Kasi yun, nasabi ni dorm manager kay Luca na pabalik na si na baka nasa station na.
Pinuntahan niya.
Pagdating doon nilang tatlo, kasama si Baby, biglang tumatakbo sila, sumigaw sila, Oscar, ganyan. Tinawag niya, tapos sinakap niya, I love you, blah, 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 something. Ngayon, so don't leave me, ganyan. Sabi ni Oliver, it's best that you both go back to the dorm because a lot of things have happened. And even there have been physical changes, ganyan. So, hindi balik sila sa dorm, pinag-usapan nila. Oo. So, yun yung parang pinaka main story niya na yun. And then, dapat mangyayari sa kanila. Kaya lang sabi ni Tony, na hindi pa siya pwede mabite until mag-stable yung kanyang omega pheromones.
Oo.
So,
Kaya pala I cannot bite it.
oo.
Mana.
Yes. So, at the end of it, hindi pinakita yung actual scene, pero yung end ng chapter, graduate na siya sa university and may kagat na si So, yun.
So may kilang siya.
6 chapters. May extra. Ang extra lang is, si Oliver, si Oscar nandun sa dating tinitirahan na kwarto ni Oliver. Tapos, I think dun yung pinakita, mahaba na yung hair niya eh.
Okay.
Doon yung actual day nung pag-bite nila. So, parang yun yung storya. So, yeah.
So it's just really a follow-up dun sa story niya.
Oo. But I quite like this one kasi, siya. So, of
Uncommon
course,
din yun, no? Yung ganun.
actually, madami-dami na din. It's
Yung
not as...
alpha na nagiging omega.
Oo, madami-dami na din. Pero marami din mga beta na nagiging mega.
Okay.
Madami-dami din. It's not extremely common. Pero karamihan
Hindi
ng...
siya mabibilang lang ng
Oo. Maraming storya na, na alphas turning into omegas or betas turning into omegas. However, wala yung lang talaga, alpha-beta na hindi nagtuturn into an omega and alpha-alpha. May mga storya din, pero very rare. So, the reason why I like this, kasi yung struggle ni kapatid.
Oo, to become a
Oo.
brother again. Kasi nga,
Oo.
feeling niya kasalanan niya.
Exactly. At saka parang ang kanya is, he is trying to make it right
Mm-mm.
in his own way.
Yeah.
Kahit na itong si kapatid hindi naman siya sinisisi.
Oo.
So, syempre siya, nag-glitters tuloy yung kamay ko. Nag-glitters
Meron nga, glitters.
So, yun. So, ang kanya kasi parang he's trying his best to let the kapatid know, Oliver's trying his best to let the kapatid know na he is quite happy with his life. Kasi if he wasn't an omega, he will not be able to meet Liam.
True naman. Kasi nga,
Yun yung parang pinaka maganda na sa story. So, yes.
So, medyo maigli ito in fairness ha.
Brotherly love. Hindi, pasada lang talaga eh.
Okay naman.
Brotherly love with a little bit of confusing pheromones.
Gender,
yeah. Secondary gender.
So, there you go.
Yes, so that is all for our BL. At CPTL.
Bye.
Bye.